SWEAGLE represents a new standard in modern pipe cleaning, engineered to deliver powerful, reliable performance where traditional tools reach their limits. Whether the pipe is water-filled or completely dry, SWEAGLE maintains consistent cleaning power from start to finish. At the core of its performance is the patented ejector system. It generates a highly efficient jet stream by combining the water from the jetting truck with the water already inside the pipe, creating an effective flow capacity of more than twice the pump output. This creates strong thrust and suction, allowing SWEAGLE to lift and transport sand, sludge, gravel, and heavier debris with exceptional efficiency. By lowering the water level, the jet energy becomes more focused and effective, allowing SWEAGLE to move material forward with remarkable efficiency. SWEAGLE is built for real-world versatility. It works in water-filled pipes from 250 to 1500 millimeters, and in regular pipe cleaning from 250 to 800 millimeters. It features 3 driving jet inserts for propulsion and 3 ejector jet inserts for vacuum effect. At the front, operators can choose between a plug for maximum suction or a jet insert to open up. This combination of power, efficiency, and control makes SWEAGLE ideal for maintenance cleaning, heavy deposits, fluctuating water levels, and demanding conditions. From the moment it enters the pipe, it works to remove material efficiently, transport it effectively, and leave the pipe clean, open, and fully restored. SWEAGLE, smarter, stronger, more efficient.